So I'm here at Rhyl station, which is a combined bus and rail station, and I'm popping over to the Bridge Cafe, which is just across from the station proper. And they do a rather nice breakfast here, Bev and Ellen's Bridge Cafe. They also do takeaway, so if you want takeaway, ring that number. And it's a cosy little place, just check it out. That's through to the kitchen and the happy staff. And the front of house. Past smiling happy patrons into the cafe proper. And this is where you place your orders. And I'm going to show you my breakfast in a second, folks. The Bridge Cafe. And that is my breakfast for this morning. And that qualifies as a cup of tea because that is rather big. That's nice. That is a large one, isn't it? The tea. Yeah. I thought so. So I'm going to tuck into that, if you'll excuse me, boys and girls. Excellent. That was a delicious breakfast, as tasty as it looked. So I'm just taking, oh look at that, great big sign saying Rhyl. There you are, just in case you think you're lost. I'm taking a little shortcut underneath the bridge, underneath the Vale Road Bridge. Oh look at that, one of them super loos, self-cleaning toilet. That's the railway station and the Vale Road Railway Bridge, and just coming under the bridge, heading back to where I parked my car, come across the Cob and Pen, which is a really nice pub. It's actually one of those places where you can have a conversation. It's really good. It's a nice pub, that. And that's looking back up the high street. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.